Good morning. Happy Father's Day. It's a little early. Downtown Gatlinburg. You see the new hotel back there. I think it's about 6:30 in the morning too. I just woke up and said, hey, go for a walk. When I mean it's early, you know it's early if there isn't a single car back there. So I thought, hey, show you guys around. And happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Of course, Father's Day doesn't get all the hoopla as Mom's Mother's Day, which is obvious that moms are number one. Now would be a good time to stand in line, get ready for Anarchista. We're gonna walk through the village. God, I wish they wouldn't play the music. Nobody wants to hear music blasting it. Whew. 6:30 in the morning. Oh well. Here's the donut fire. I'm telling you, if you ever get a chance to do this early in the morning, do it. Do yourself a favor and do it. Right before all the craziness starts. It's just, again, I wish they weren't playing the music, but oh well. Pancake Pantry isn't even open yet, my goodness. Nice little breeze, comfortable. Yeah, I haven't done this in a good minute. Nothing like having the whole town to yourself, or feel like it, or it feels like it. How quiet it is. Nice little breeze, comfortable. Yeah, I haven't done this in a good minute.